Thank you and congratulations for having enrolled onto your first course on Zydii. We are grateful that you chose us to be part of your self-improvement journey. One of the most frequently asked questions we received from new learners on our site is, where do I find my courses once I have enrolled? Well, if you're using a mobile device, just go to your profile icon, click on it, and on the third option after home and profile is the My Courses option. Just click on that button and you'll be transferred to the My Courses page, where you're able to see all your courses starting from the one you're currently learning. The other cool thing about this page is you're able to see the status of all your courses, how far you've gone, and if you're finished with a course, you do have the option of downloading a certificate, which you can do by clicking on the green icon. Once you click on it, you'll be transferred to a certificate page, and at the very bottom, you're able to download a certificate. On the desktop site, the process is still the same. Next to the profile icon, there's a My Courses button. Just click on it. You'll be transferred to the very same My Courses page, where you'll be able to see the status of all your courses, starting from the one you're currently learning. And if, like before, you have finished a course, you do have the option of downloading a certificate. And like before, just click on the green icon on the course you've completed, and you'll be taken to the certificate page. And at the very top right corner of your page, you'll see the download button. Just click on it and you will get your certificate. And again, thank you for enrolling, and in case of any more problems, any more inquiries, feel free to contact us.